that empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water. Now you put water into a cup, it becomes the cup. You put water into a bottle, it becomes the bottle. You put in a teapot, it becomes the teapot. Now water can flow, or it can crash. In water, my friend.
Yo, ayo, so hot that I boil. Never can I spoil. Rhymes absorbed in your mind like water to dry soil. Turmoil, you're drowning in my sound. Evaporate into the clouds. The rain on another town. Come down in the form of rain. Snow or hell that falls from the cracks in your ceilings up in the pails. Unlike criminals locked away in prison cells, I'm able to dwell in underground pipes or wishing wells. You suffering from lyrical dehydration. Your silence dry with no sign of condensation. I fed the patience through arteries by IVs. Mixed with minerals, I'm a necessity. Your life expectancy without me a few days. 70% of your body I stay contained. Surrounding your brain, tap your spine and watch me drain. I cover the plains in the days of the ice age. You stop the slug shot out the barrel of a gauge. Newborns, I bathe original sin is washed away. On rainy days, project rainbows with the help of sun rays. Your boss plays can even cause a player's game to be delayed. Surround the fetus and break just before you give birth. In Genesis 7:19 flooded the earth. Help Moses with the chosen ones escape from the Egyptians in Exodus 14:21. Could cause the extinction of all forms of life, from Homo sapiens to vegetation. Now get it right. Without my existence, know that you could never live. From the solid gas back to the liquid. It's mad, son. Crashing the sandcastles like a wave, or an avalanche, bury your whole team, never to be saved. Existed first when this earth was made, and best believe I'll remain until that final day.
Hey, yo, without my existence, you could never live. From solid to gas back to the liquid. It's mad, son. Crash your sandcastle like a wave, or an avalanche. You could never be saved. Without my existence, you could never